Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is June mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's sign. Messages for Virgo. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. See what are the messages. Page of Cups with Ace of Wands and Page of Pentacles under the deck. You will receive communication very soon from your person and Virgo. They want to say apology to you and they want any passionate new beginnings with you. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Marriage also involved in this connection. And Ace of Wands, yes, they're very passionate towards you and they want a passionate new beginnings with you, Virgo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Swords, Wheel of Fortune, and the World. You started thinking through your logical mind. You are very honest and straightforward in nature. Yeah, things started turning into your favor from recent past. And some cycles are ended between you and your person. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. For some, I think things are not in your favor. Here, two cases. One case is things will turn into your favor already, but another case, yes, things are not into your favor. So, present, Two of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, and the Devil. You are juggling. Maybe this is one type of ending between you and your person. This person is toxic for you, in and out of your life. Yeah, you are very sad and very drained because Ten of Swords energy. You tired. You totally tired and your energy is drained because this person is very dominative and there is no stability. That's why you are juggling, because you want to move on from this person, but you can't do that because you are unable to do that. This is in you're juggling, and this is a juggling between head over heart also. So you want to move on but you can't, that type of situation. And the Devil, definitely obsession. Maybe you are also obsessed with this person. Then future, Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and Eight of Cups. So for some, you decided to move on from this toxic person, and but once you're gone, they started realizing your worth. They again want to come back into your life. Knight of Cups energy, and they want to offer stability for you, especially in career. There is stability, Ten of Pentacles, but in relationship there is no stability. That's why you decided to move on. Maybe they rejected you, they ghosted you in past, but now they're realizing your worth, Virgo. For some, a new person, a brand new person is coming into your life to offer stability and commitment. It depends on your situation totally, but someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Lot of passion, guys. Yes, maybe your person have ego problems, but they're very attracted to you and they want passionate new beginnings. For those who are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Their current feeling. They're thinking about you a lot, but they're not expressing their true feelings. Yes. Now they started listening to their intuition, trusting their higher self. Yeah. They're not expressing their feelings, but uh, they're really thinking about you 24 by 7 and they want reconciliation. For some, your person have options they have to choose. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yes, they always thinking about you. And long distance relationship you both are in right now. So let's see their intentions. Communication, all or communication cards. Yeah, trust issues. Page of Pentacles, again the world. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. For those who are in separation right now, your person feeling sad. Yes, they have regrets and they do love you. And yeah, they wanna come back with an apology. And yeah, they're in rush to communicate with you. Lots of communication is coming. And Page of Swords. Yeah, right now they're spying on you. They keep tabs on you. But here Seven of Swords, maybe this person is toxic for you guys because the Devil and Seven of Swords is here. Be careful. If you know that the third party involved, they're really playing games with you, then there is no point to wait. But if this person really changing for you and this person is really honest with you, then it is okay, because Seven of Swords is very very sneaky. But they are spying on you a lot. They keep tabs on you and they will reach out to you very soon. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they want success in this connection and they really want to work on this relationship. I think there are some trust issues between you and your person also. For some, your person is very popular. And Five of Swords, lot of arguments, disturbances. But your person is in slow moving energy. Eight of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. For some, a brand new person is also entering in your life. Two cards. Cards are jumping. You are heartbroken. And you focused on yourself, on your abundance, on your growth. Virgo. And this love is soulmate connection, and this love is mutual between you and your person. You both have strong soulmate connection, guys. Yes, I think they hurt you in past. That's why they scared for rejection also. Trust issues. Maybe they rejected you in past. Maybe they ghosted you. Whatever. Because Seven of Swords always playing games. Ghosting, coming. Let's see, mutual. Yes, apology. They are coming back with an apology and they want success in this connection. A lot of spying under the deck. So it's up to you to accept or reject. But for some, there will be reconciliation because Page of Cups with Six of Wands. Maybe you will accept their apology and give another chance. It will depend. But it's totally up to you what to do, what not to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. This person is sneaky. Yes. I realized my mistake. Past life connection. Religious factors. I always thinking about you and I am just not ready yet. So this person is sneaky. I realized my mistake. Past life connection. I always thinking about you. Religious factors. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Your hard work is paying off. New Moon in Capricorn energy, and believe in the impossible. Blue Moon. So maybe out of the blue they will reach out to you. Yes, because communication is coming, they keep eye on you and your hard work is paying off. Definitely, if you are doing hard work consistently to reach your goals, definitely your hard work will pay off. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Please do share, like and subscribe.